to Florida, guys.
Yeah.
We're heading to Florida. Even though we got like winter gear.
Going to Escanaba, Michigan, up north of the UP. And I'm gonna see my family and get the new car for me.
Yep.
And we're buying it for my grandma, so it's gonna be awesome. So
I can't wait to just see family up in Escanaba.
It's been a while.
Big UP of Michigan. Our plane is so small. On the right, guys, we're doing a descent.
Yeah, we're on our way down to Escanaba. Still in the air though, but we're quickly making our descent.
Yes. So enjoy this travel vlog. We finally made it Escanaba to see Grandma Swanson. She was so happy to see us. I'm so happy we got to see her and spend time with her tonight at dinner. And thank you, Aunt Kathy, for that dinner. It tasted so good.
You're a great cook.
And yeah, just got to watch a lot, worship and videos on YouTube. So it's a great time to spend quality time with her.
We just sat down and talked with Grandma and hung out with Aunt Kathy for a bit. Now it's nighttime, so we're getting ready to cash, and then tomorrow we'll get some more footage for you guys.
Yeah. Beautiful morning. Super hungry. Can't focus. Alright, alright. We're in Jack's new car right now. Thank you to Grandma Swanson. It is sweet. Yeah, super warm, heated seats, sunroof. Yeah, I love it. I love this color too. Jack and I are picking up breakfast from the Drifters Family Restaurant in Escanaba. It is so good. Anyone in Escanaba has to try it. For us and Grandma Swanson, so we're gonna have a good breakfast. We had coffee this morning, chit chat. Had so much fun last night watching videos, and yeah, this is just the next day in the morning. The sun is shining so bright. There's so much snow up here, I can't believe it. Yeah, I'm ready for some snowmobiling. There he comes! Yay, he looks so pissed. Jack isn't a morning person when he doesn't have breakfast. I think that's the only tall building. It's an apartment building. Someone was starving.
Moe's Pub.
I wish we got a video of our fries with all this cheese, but unfortunately we didn't.
We'll film the cheese, it's right over there.
It was really good.
The burgers and the wings were fantastic.
Escanaba Beach. Whew. It's like almost 2 feet of snow. Wow. Jack won't come outside. Little baby. Yeah, I'm not gonna go up and up because it's frozen. In the distance you can see. This is awesome. I've never seen this frozen snow. I can't even talk to people. I love that. Saying bye-bye.
Bye,
There's so much snow. We had to get our Starbucks and our McDonald's.
Yes, we
He
did.
won't stop closing his mouth when he eats.
Excuse me?